Ride Malam Seram. Okay, so here we are at Woodlands waterfront, the starting point. Weather looks okay. So, are we ready? Yeah. So first stop will be Kranji War Memorial. Okay. Okay, so that is the causeway to Johor Bahru. That side is Malaysia. Look at the empty causeway. Wow. We are somewhere along Old Woodlands Road, and we are going through this rail corridor. Okay, good to go. State land.
Yeah, no entry.
I say, man.
So we have to go by the main road towards to Kranji War Memorial.
Okay, so
if not, this will be a perfect route to cut through into the dense forest.
okay, so it's a state land. Trespassers will be prosecuted. So
What's that? Oh, they put pondok.
okay, so we have to detour. Over there is the Kranji Commonwealth War Cemetery. We took about 23 minutes, about 5.5 km. Yeah, about 5.5 km from Woodlands waterfront. Okay, let's go inside.
Same thing is when you cannot enter the main corridor. State land. And
State land, out of bounds. Yellow card, so better stay that way. Okay, anyway, it's drizzling, cooling, and yeah, it's quite comfortable actually.
The last time we came here, we actually ride, remember?
Yeah, we ride our bikes.
Yeah, we ride our bikes.
Motorcycles.
Before we proceed to where? More eerie area.
So this is our first stop, Kranji War Memorial. It's a state cemetery. Okay, so this is the opening hours. West Nets,
So our next location will be Kranji Dam.
Kranji Dam.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, so we see you guys at Kranji Dam. Okay, and so it's raining super heavily right now, and we have arrived at the Kranji Dam. Dam is the other side, so we came from that direction, from Kranji State Cemetery or War Memorial all the way. This is the dam, and to this bus stop here. So we are going to take 5 first. I'm afraid we have to call it a day.
It was fun though.
Yeah, but the next point is that we are going to Lim Chu Kang. But looking at the weather right now, I think it's going to be a bad idea.
Okay, we cover about 11.38 km and about 45 minutes total, inclusive one return trip up to the Kranji War Memorial. It was fun.
Okay, so I think we are going to call it a night. I think the rain is not going to stop any soon. But we will ride through the rain back to the starting point. Pack up and go home. Sorry guys. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video so far. Maybe next time. Okay, so good night and stay dry. Right, malam seram.